Hello, let us start the calculation of the last pause of this entire syntax tree. In case of last pause calculation, we see that if there exists a cat node, then the last pause calculation depends on the nullable. So here this syntax tree contains some cat node, so we need the calculation of the nullable. Now it may happen some subtree, some syntax tree does not contain any cat node, then in that case we do not require the calculation of the nullable. So let us calculate the nullable first. We know that all the leaf nodes has nullable false. So here is false, 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 and false. Now this is the cat node, and according to the rule of the cat node, which involves AND operation, as one of the input is false, the nullable of this cat node will be false. This again one of the input is false, so the nullable of this cat node is false. This is true, same for this situation. This is also same for this situation. Now this is the star node. In case of star node, we know that the nullable for the star node is always true. Now this is OR node. In case of OR node, the nullability is calculated by using the OR among these two subtree. So false and false, it will be false. So the nullable calculation is done. Now we have to calculate the calculation of the last pause for all the nodes. Now the calculation of the last pause will start from the leaf node. So if it's its position is 1, so its last pause is 1, its last pause is 2, here its last pause is 3, here last pause of this node is 4, last pause of this node is 5, last pause of this node is 6. Now calculate the last pause of this OR node. So the rule, this is the rule, so we have to perform the OR of union of the two children, so it will become 1 2. Now in case of star node, we know that the last pause is same as its child, so its last pause will be 1 and 2. Now consider this cat node. Now here the calculation occurs, so we have to check the nullability of the right subtree. The nullable of the right subtree is false, so the last pause of this node will be last pause of the right child, so it will be 3. Now consider this cat node. Here the nullable of its right child is false, so the last pause of this node will be 4, that is its right child. Now again consider this cat node. Here the right child has nullable false, so the last pause of this node will be 5. Now consider the root node, that is this one. Here the nullable of the right child is false, so the last pause of this node will be 6. So this is the way by which we can calculate the last pause of all the nodes. Thank you.